In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Grammarly from laptop. Remove Grammarly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove the Grammarly application using the built-in settings on your Windows laptop, even if you're not very tech-savvy. First, look for the search bar on your laptop. On most Windows setups, you'll find it along the taskbar at the bottom of your screen, usually on the left near the Start button, or sometimes on the right, depending on your layout. Click into that search bar so you can type. Type the word Apps and press Enter. This will open the settings window right to the Apps section. If you see a list, choose Apps and Features. On newer versions of Windows, this area might be called Installed Apps, but you're in the right place either way. This page is where Windows lists every program currently installed on your device. Now, use the search field on this page to quickly find what you need. Click the search box and type Grammarly. Give it a moment to filter the list. If Grammarly is installed, you'll see it appear in the results. If nothing shows up, that likely means Grammarly isn't installed as a desktop app, and there's nothing you need to remove here. When you see Grammarly in the list, click on it to reveal the options. You should see an Uninstall button. Go ahead and click Uninstall. Windows may ask for confirmation or prompt you with a message to make sure you want to remove the app. Click Uninstall again to confirm. You might also see a security prompt asking for permission to make changes. Choose Yes to proceed. If Grammarly is currently running in the background, the uninstaller might ask you to close it. That's normal. Save any work you have open, then allow the process to continue. The removal usually takes just a minute or two. When it's done, the Grammarly entry should disappear from the list, which confirms the app has been removed. In some cases, Windows might suggest restarting your computer to finish cleanup. If that happens, you can restart now or later, whichever is more convenient. That's all there is to it. You searched for your apps, opened Apps and Features, found Grammarly, clicked Uninstall, and confirmed the removal. If you ever decide to use Grammarly again, you can download it from their official website and reinstall it. For now, enjoy the extra space and one fewer app running in the background. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to check out more tutorials just like this.